I recently acquired a chain key lock in which the key consists of a series of links that, oh, there we go, that create the key, and this allows the key to be to change or to follow the shape of the keyway inside here, which is not straight. It curves around inside here. So you put the key up to the lock and then push the links into the lock. And I 3D printed this deadlock, which shows off its functionality, being able to lock and unlock it. So that locks and unlocks. Then when you're done, you retract the key and remove it from the lock.